Before we built our home with Milwaukee Habitat for Humanity, our life was it wasn't steady. We didn't know what was gonna be the next chapter of our lives. We used to live in the 4-family house, and it wasn't very secure for our family. So we had a lot of commotion, and we can hear the noises in the middle of the night, people coming in and out, and a lot of happening on the street. And our cars were like vandalized all the time. It was the point that we just left the cars open. It was normal just to leave them open because we knew somebody will get in. So we knew that we had to get out, but we just had to, live with whatever was happening in the neighborhood and the house and our finances. "20 years ago, when we find out about, that we could afford a house, it was like a door that opened for us. It was something new, and we definitely wanted to try. And we had to apply because we saw that we could have a steady home for our kids. Plus, the mortgage we're gonna pay, it is affordable. And the relationships that we built with Habitat, it was great. So the process, it wasn't bad. The building of the house, it was awesome. I mean, we had to put in the sweat equity hours, and that day when the walls started going up, it's a dream come true. It's actually happening. I remember when we were like, this is our first wall, the first wall, awesome! It was an amazing feeling. What I appreciate most about the volunteers that came to help build my house, they were so nice and they were so willingly to do everything and so happy. So they make us feel really important. And the anticipation of this is our home, their faces, my kids' faces was something that I cannot forget. I've been living in this community for almost 20 years, and this is a great community. A lot of good things happen for us in this community, and I see business grow too, like mine, in this community. I am a soap maker. I make soap and things for the body, so this is what I do. But having my place, I can work long hours, I can do whatever I want because I am in my house. So it helped me with my little business. Moving into our own home changed our lives, in meaning that now we have to think like homeowners, and you have to take responsibility. This is your home now. You have your bills, you have things that you have to take care of. So that changed you. It changed you, and it helps you as a person now that you're a homeowner. So I am so grateful that we had this opportunity. Seeing my kids grow in this house, become men in this house, the name says it all. The name says it all. Milwaukee Habitat for Humanity, thank you. Thank you for all the help that you give to all these families like I was without a home, and all those people that now can have a home. They just had to open your eyes and get it. So Habitat is a blessing for the community and for us. That's what they did to us. They blessed us.